We're going to make some inexpensive chicken thighs today. We're going to break out a Kanka Grill rotisserie. We're going to cook over open fire. 2.5 teaspoons of paprika, 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon each black pepper, white pepper, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1.5 teaspoons of oregano, 1.5 teaspoons of cayenne, and 1 teaspoon of thyme. Just want to mix these together, get it blended up well. If you had a little jar to put it in, that would work just great. I've got it all mixed in. Let's get our chicken over here. I've got some spray olive oil. You can use duck fat, which is my favorite. Don't happen to have any duck fat spray right now. Just want to get both sides. And we're using this olive oil as our binder for that seasoning. Now you know this drill. Just going to come in both sides, sprinkle up our Cajun seasoning on these chicken thighs. We're going to get these guys turned over. Get a nice liberal coating on all sides. There's our last one. Just get this seasoning on. Then we're going to get them all ready for this Kanka Rotisserie Grill. I'm going to bring this rack over for the Kanka. I'm going to spray some of that same olive oil on here just to help it keep from not sticking, right? Let's get these guys all loaded up in here. I think I've got 8. We'll get each one in. It's going to be a tight fit, as you can see, but I think we'll get it done. There we go. There's all 8. Then we'll just get the top on this bad boy. Scoot it down here so that they don't flop around while they're spinning. Let's get out to that grill. Feed our, I don't know if you call these skewers, poles, whatever, through here. And you want to wear gloves when you do this because it has been sitting over the fire. There we go. Get it turned on. To this 1 cup of mayo, I've got 2 tablespoons stone ground mustard, 2 teaspoons paprika. We got a teaspoon of dried garlic. We want about 2 tablespoons, 1, 2 of ketchup. And then we want to come in with about a teaspoon of Worcestershire, maybe a little more. Can't go wrong with that. We've got a tablespoon of key lime juice. I've got hot sauce here. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. I'm using this, I can't say it, Mizikajajaute, whatever the hell it is. And you can use sriracha if you want, if you don't have that. Just want to give it a good stir. This is going to be an awesome dipping sauce for that Cajun chicken. Remoulade. Almost forgot, we need a little salt and white pepper. Hey, our chicken is at 164. You know it's going to creep on up another 5 degrees. Chicken thighs are okay. 165 is what's safe. Let's get this chicken off here and let it rest. Got our chicken thighs here. Now we're just going to put a little bit of that remoulade sauce on there that we made together. Tell me that doesn't look good, right? And then we're going to come in with a little bit more of that hot sauce. Look at that. And then I've got just a little for color, right? You know we got to have some color here. We got a little parsley. I'm telling you, I think this chicken looks good. We're going to let it rest here for maybe 10 minutes. Let's put a little parsley over here. What do you think? Cajun chicken thighs with remoulade sauce. Would you eat that? I don't have a fork. We're going to give a little cut. Can you see that? Look how juicy. Let's give it a taste test. I gotta tell you, those are some juicy chicken thighs. We got that Cajun flavor, seasoning. I get a little cayenne at the very end. but that remoulade sauce cools it off. Total cook time, about 2 hours, 2 hours, 10 minutes. Your cook time is going to vary because I'm cooking open fire. The temperature changes. You got to try this one out.